Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Whoa.
Hey guys, it's Mariam. So today I'm going to be doing the highly requested room tour video. Now, if you guys saw my shop with me video, you guys would know that I went shopping for room decor and I've finally finished decorating my room and I'm so excited to show you guys. So if you guys would like a little tour of my room, just keep on watching.
Said you love me, I tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, very good. I even got it tatted on.
So when you first walk into my room, the first thing you'll probably notice is my purple wall because it sure as heck stands out. And since my feature wall is purple, I kind of went for like a purple and white theme with my room. I don't know if you guys can notice, but that's what I went for. And this is my bed. I got it from Harvey Norman last year. And my bedding is from Pure Zone, I think. And it has roses on it. And you guys know how I feel about rose things. So obviously I had to include my rose obsession in somehow. And I have no throw pillows on my bed because I'm not really a throw pillow kind of person because I do not want to spend too much time making my bed in the morning. So yeah. And I've got this really cute fairy lights just hanging on the top of my bed. I got them from Kmart for $5. So I've got this canvas right above my bed and I'm not sure where I got it from, but a little story behind it. I've always wanted to go to France and having this above my bed is kind of like a motivator for me to save up. So yeah, it actually does have a meaning to it and I absolutely love it. This is my first set of bedside tables. This one I got as a set along with my bed from Harvey Norman. So on top of my bedside table, I've got my illustrated version of Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. I got this from Kmart for $35. So if you guys are looking for the illustrated version for a cheap price, I'd say hit up Kmart for sure. And right in front of that, I've got this little Lightbox that I got from Typo and that was $10 and it says to subscribe. So you guys should follow the instructions of the Lightbox and subscribe to my channel. I've also got my 13 Reasons Why book, which I got from Kmart for $12, and that's the book that I'm currently, well, about to start reading. And over here, I've got my purple Polaroid camera, which I actually got for my 18th birthday. And I've also got two of my favorite Polaroids right here. So above my bedside table, I've got this wall grid decor thing that you guys would know I've been searching for everywhere. This one's from Kmart. I got it for $8 and I've just displayed all my concert tickets and stuff on here because I love concerts and I honestly love reminiscing, so I just displayed all of them here. And on the floor I've got my fluffy white rug, which is the comfiest and cutest rug I've ever seen in my life. This one I believe is from Spotlight. And over here I've got my closet, which I'm not even gonna bother opening up because it is a complete and utter mess, and trust me guys, you do not want to see it, like it's terrible. So that's it for this side of my room. So let's go on over to the other side. Over here, I've got my little organizational section, which is meant to help me stay organized, but it honestly isn't. It's just here for decor. So I've got this calendar, which I got from Typo for $10, I believe. And over here, I've got my weekly planner, which hasn't been used yet because I forgot to get whiteboard markers. But it is from Kmart and I got it for $10 and I think it is super cute. And over here, I've got my curtains. I'm pretty sure these are from Spotlight and they're purple, obviously, as you can see. And it goes so perfectly with my room. And over here, I've got my dresser, which is also from Harvey Norman. They're the same make as the bedside tables because they all came in as a set. And on top of my dresser, I've got this little jewelry stand, which is so old. So honestly, I can't even tell you guys where it's from. And I've also got my first set of frames just chilling over here. I've got a photo of me and my dog. in here, and I got this from Kmart for $5. And I've also got some of my favorite sunglasses all displayed here because I thought it was cute, and honestly every single basic girl has their sunnies on display, so I've got to hop on that trend. All of the sunnies are from Supre except for these two. This one I got from a shop in Malaysia, and this one I got from the Elle show bag from the Melbourne show. And the rest of the things that I've got in here are like my perfumes, my foundation, moisturizers, dry shampoo, all that fun stuff. And I've got this really cute makeup bag, and I got this from the Too Faced booth at Meccaland, and I'm obsessed with it. And over here I've got my purple lamp, which is again more of a decor because I never use it, but it goes so well with my room. And I've got my Luna Lovegood little pop figurine. I got it from Comic-Con this year, and if you guys know me in person, you would know I'm obsessed with Harry Potter, and Luna's my favorite, so I had to get her. And I've also got my little marquee light, which is from Typo, and I think it was about $12. And I've got my second set of frames just here, and it's got a photo of me and my friend Shelby on it, and this is the same one that I showed you just before from Kmart. So over here I've got my second bedside table, and this is probably my favorite section of my room because I was pretty proud of how I decorated it. So over here I've got my white vase, which has an assortment of purple flowers inside of them, and I got them from like a $2 home decor shop. And in front of the vase I've got two photo frames. These ones are different to the ones I just showed you before because they've got this kind of holographic look to them. And in between the two frames I've got this really cute marquee light, and it's in this crescent moon shape, which, you know, it's a moon, and what screams nighttime and sleeping than a moon? So obviously I thought it would fit so well into my room, and it was from Typo for $12. And I've also got my little pencil slash pen holder, and I got that from Kmart for $2. And I've got my pens and stuff in there. All the pens are from Typo. This one in particular is my favorite. It's a little unicorn cat thing, and it was a novelty pen for $5 from Typo. And right here I've got my 2018 diary because, as I said, I try to be somewhat organized, but it doesn't really work out for me. It's again more of a decor than a piece that I actually use, which I should probably use. But that's from Supre. I think it was about $10, I want to say. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I had so much fun decorating and filming this video for you guys. So thank you so much for requesting it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below because I do post new videos every single week. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram because my feed is popping right now. Special thanks to the person behind the camera, Jasmine, aka Jasmine TXO. She has a YouTube channel as well, so you guys should definitely check her out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Did you got plans tonight? I was hoping I could get lost.